Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel. Today we are starting a new segment called C&P, Coffee and Pens with Emma. So grab yourself a coffee or another beverage of your choice and let's look at some pens. Okay, so today we are doing the January Penspiration unboxing. So the Penspiration box is $18 a month. And you get 5 to 7 pens and or writing tools. So let's see what we've got this month, shall we? Okay, so first up are the cards. We have our why hello there welcome card, which points you towards the blog if you would like to know what is in the box. And then our pen test card, which has a C.S. Lewis quotation, you can make anything by writing. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we've got. So we are now starting with different colored pouches per month. And so this is the January color. Alright, let's see what kind of pens we have in here. That's so satisfying. Okay, I think I'm just gonna pull these out one by one. Okay, so we are starting with the highlighter, the Monami Essenchi Soft highlighter. This is a pastel color, and we do offer this highlighter in other colors on the website, but this blue is exclusive to the January Penspiration box. It's very lightweight, but it does have this very strong binder clip, so it's very easy to clip to a notebook or planner and just go with you everywhere. Alright, so moving on, we have another Monami pen. This is the Monami Plus Pen 3000. This has a felt tip. I like these felt tip pens a lot, and I'm really excited that we have this in gray now because I use the other two colors we've offered, the lavender and the gold brown, quite a bit. But I use a lot of gray in my planner, so I'm really excited to have this. Alright, so then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is taking me like right back to my middle school gel pen days, and I kind of love it. But this one has a very nice 0.38 needle tip, and this grip I think people are going to find very comfortable. It's so cute. Okay. So then, moving on, we have actually decided to do a kind of different medium for you guys. This is a mechanical pencil. So you just click for the lead. I like these because they're very lightweight and very slim, so it's very easy to just throw in a pencil case or a pen pouch. And then you have something that you can in fact erase instead of just only having the permanence of your pens. And so since we sent a pencil, we also included lead refills for you. The lead in the pencil and in the refill is HB 0.5. This also comes with this handy dandy clip. I'm probably gonna just clip this into maybe one of the card slots or the notebook that I keep with me, so I'll have that with me. And of course you can just throw it in a pencil case. And then the final offering in this particular box, I am so excited about this. This is actually an eraser. So sometimes I find that the square erasers can be kind of hard to keep, especially if you're using sort of a long and thin pencil case. Sorry, doing my ongoing battle with packaging. So all you do is just apply some pressure and push forward, and then your eraser pops out. I like this brand a lot too, so I think this is going to be very useful for people. And then you just slide it back in, and it does come with an eraser refill, so this baby should last you for a while. All right, so that is what we have got in the January pen box. An eraser, mechanical pencil and lead, 2 pens, and a highlighter. All right, so let's do a quick pen test. I am going to use the Penspiration test sheet. Let's start with the pens. So, all right, so I am starting with the Monami Plus Pen 3000. And I believe that these have a 0.38 millimeter tip. I always like felt pens. I feel like they help me write very delicately. All right. And then go with the other fine line. This is, I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce this brand. So if anybody does know, please let me know. We'll call this the 4805. And this is actually a 0.5 millimeter. I always like a 0.5 with a needle tip. And it's a nice black ink. I like caps on pens. It's a very satisfying click. Then we will move into our highlighter. Ooh, that's a pretty shade of blue. Okay, and then mechanical pencil. And here is our mechanical pencil. And then we'll use our handy dandy eraser. We don't want to go too far just yet. And we'll get rid of a little bit of what we just wrote. I always over erase things. I probably don't need to, but there we go. So our pens for the month. I think this is a very January color scheme. Blues always remind me of January, I think, because I think of snow in January. We haven't really had our big first snow in Richmond in 2020 yet, but fingers crossed. All right, so there you have it, the January Penspiration box. All right, well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Please leave us a comment letting us know what you like in the January box, what you would like to see in future boxes, and other videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.